Here's how to use Genmoji on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you've upgraded to the latest iOS operating system, you can use a cool AI feature called Genmoji. I'll show you how it works and how to get it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first just head into our settings here, and you need to tap on General and Software Update. Now, you need iOS 18.2. You can see currently I have the public beta turned on, so I have iOS 18.2 installed with the public beta. Eventually, they'll release iOS 18.2 around December of 2024, but you need this to get the image playground to generate the emojis or Genmoji. After you've done that, let's go back here. We'll tap on Apple Intelligence, and you need to make sure Apple Intelligence is toggled on at the very top. Now, if it says request permission or go on a wait list, just do that. It usually takes like 10 minutes, and then you'll be granted access and given access to that. So after we've done all of that up front, let's go into the messaging app. And you can see this is just a text message with myself. To access the Genmoji, we're going to tap on the little plus right next to where the blinking cursor is. And we're going to tap on Image Playground. That's basically what Apple calls the Genmoji. Now, when you initially tap on that, there is the potential that when you tap on it, it will say, again, request access. You might need to hit the button to request access to it and get permission. You might get into like basically a wait list to be able to access it. It might take a day or two to give you access. And then when it does, you can use this to send text messages. So on here, so I can say, all right, I'm going to describe an image. So I'm going to say Trevor Nace. And then I'm going to say, make an image of me, but with wings. And you can see just like that, it will start to create that image. And you can see, all right, now it created that image, which is kind of a goofy image with me with wings. If you're happy with that, you can just hit done here. And then it puts together this image and you can send it off. But you can also create other things like emojis that are custom. So make an emoji of me and hit done. So it will create an emoji that kind of looks like me. Or if you don't like any of these, you can say, make a smiley emoji eating ice cream and hit send. Now, it will basically create all those different things. And of course, you can see on all these, it has me in them. And to remove me, I'm going to tap on the little profile photo at the bottom right here. And you can choose a different person. So it says choose a person or appearance that you want to be the starting point of that image. And you can just choose something random. You can just choose like, all right, I just want a generic person, a generic guy here, and hit done. So you can choose different things, you can choose different people, and you can create any photo that you want in here. Again, you can swipe over to get different ones. Let's say that's the one that you like. You can tap the three dots here and you can copy it. You can save this image. And then you can see also their suggestions. So I can scroll over and say, all right, I want to choose an adventure theme. So I'm going to remove this basically prompt about an ice cream, but just have this random person and prompt them to have adventure. So I can hit done. And just like that, I've created that image in the image playground using the Genmoji. I can hit send and send that basically custom photo that has never been created before. It was just generated through AI. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.